Fire protection is crucial for fire stop barriers because they help keep fires from spreading through a building. These barriers create separate sections, stopping fire and smoke from moving to other areas. This containment gives people more time to escape and reduces damage to the property. Proper fire protection ensures that these barriers work correctly by withstanding high temperatures for a set period. This helps keep escape routes safe and prevents the building from collapsing. In short, fire protection ensures fire stop barriers do their job, keeping people safe and minimizing damage during a fire. Fire protection is needed on fire stop barrier coatings to help prevent fire from spreading through walls. Fire stop coatings are applied to the joints and gaps in gypsum board walls to keep flames and smoke from moving through these openings. For concrete walls, fire stop coatings are used around pipes, ducts, and any other penetrations. This helps maintain the wall's ability to contain fire and smoke. In short, fire protection coatings are necessary in places where walls have gaps, joints, or holes to ensure that the wall can effectively block fire and smoke. Fire protection on fire stop barrier coatings is necessary. It stops flames and heat from moving through gaps or holes in walls, which helps keep the fire contained to one area. It also keeps smoke from passing through, which is important for safety and helps people escape safely. Fire stop coatings help ensure that walls stay strong and effective in stopping a fire, keeping buildings safer during a fire. If we apply Ameetuff fire-resistant wall coating instead of normal paint, people's lives will be saved from smoke, and people will come out of that place in time.
So now you too choose the one chosen by business experts. Visit Ameetuff.com for more information.